bra, yeah, that's right. We're making a lounge set, so cute and comfy, out of this shirt that I got from Goodwill for $1. So I took the tag off, of course, and now I'm folding it down the middle. And I just want to make sure everything's nice and smooth. We're all even and lined up because we're going to start cutting. Now, I already know that I like my shorts to be about 13 inches on the outer seam. So I made this about 15 inches and I cut across. Now, I've been making shorts and leggings for so long that I know that this first cut that I'm doing right here, it will be the inseam, so that determines how long the pants or the leggings will be on you. And then once you get that to a length that you want, you do a curved inseam, crotch seam, sorry. So you curve and then just go straight up. And just like that, we have both legs for our shorts. So I'm just flipping this one inside out and I'm gonna pin it. I'm gonna line everything up perfectly so that it looks nice and professional when we sew it. But yeah, flip them inside out, sew up those, sorry, not sew them up, I'm jumping ahead. Pin up the inseams. So now we're gonna grab the top of the shirt and make the top of our lounge set. So I just grabbed a sports bra that fits pretty okay, I guess. I just needed a kind of a guideline, and I'm just gonna cut up the sides, both sides, and then make my one strap. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I moved the bra out of the way and kind of eyeballed where I wanted my armhole to start. And yeah, it's kind of like how we did the crotch seam. You just go in and then go up. It sounds so stupid, but that's all I do, really. So now I'm making like the neckline and then that one strap of our one strap little top. So I just kind of curved down, and then once I got to the length that I wanted, I went straight across with the scissors. Apparently I was really happy with how that came out. So just like the shorts, we're gonna flip it inside out and pin up those sides. So now we have our 3 pieces, and I'm just showing you with my finger where I'm about to go. So it's just the places that we just pinned. So moving over to the serger, yes, the thread is black. No, I'm not gonna change it because nobody's gonna see that. I'm just sewing up what I said I was gonna sew up, just so those 2 inseams and then the sides of the top. Okay, so once I sewed up both inseams, they both were inside out, but I turned one to the right side and stuck that one inside the one that was still inside out, so that the right sides are together. The right sides are kissing, as they say, whatever. And then I lined up the inseams, And I'm gonna do one big crotch stitch. I'm not gonna use pins, but if you are new to sewing, I suggest you use pins. But to me, it seemed like it would just slow me down. So I'm just gonna guide both pieces in there, make sure they're nice and lined up and straight. And I'm just gonna do the crotch stitch. But if you're new, use your pins, by all means. No shame in that. So now the shorts are attached, right? And it's starting to look like, I just love when the thing you're making starts to look like the thing you're making. It's exciting. And then there's the top with the sides all sewn up. Cool, it's coming along. So then I'm about to go back over to the cutting table. There you go. And I'm gonna designate just the front side for the shorts. So I do that by folding it along the front, making sure that the back is in the back so I don't cut the back. But I'm just gonna cut a little angled piece there, and that's literally it. That's all it takes, and it just makes the front dip down a little bit so that you know what the front is. And then I'm just gonna, I fold it over about 1.5 inches and did a zigzag stitch all the way around the shorts, but I left that part right there open because that's where our elastic is gonna go through. So first I took a safety pin and I pinned the elastic to the shorts so that it just stays in place while I'm trying to feed the elastic through. It's frustrating when you get done and you pull and then the other end is stuck up in the shorts. So that prevents that. So then I put an safety pin on the other end of the elastic, and I'm just gonna feed it all the way through the shorts. Once the end that you're putting through pops out of that casing, you know that you're done. So I just put both sides of the elastic together, just overlapped them, and did a straight stitch back and forth a few times just to secure it in place. Now all that's left to do is to close up that casing. This is the exciting part too. I love this. But I'm a nerd. I just love this shit. So now I'm showing you where I'm gonna close it with a zigzag stitch, of course. Just cutting off the little strings and those shorts were done. How cool is that? So now moving on to the top. I know this angle isn't very helpful, but I'll explain. I just folded in the armhole about 1/2 inch and did a zigzag stitch all the way around that circle. And then I did the same thing to like the neckline. I folded that in about 1/2 inch and did a zigzag all the way around. And I left the bottom edge raw because my zigzag stitch was giving me absolute hell. So, but this is the finished project. Oh my God, it's so cute. This thing is cute, comfy, and cheap, okay? And it was so much fun to create. So give it a try, get reacquainted with your sewing machine if it's been a while, and let me know how it goes. And I will see y'all in the next one. Take care.